guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today we are doing a Fab Fit Fun summer unboxing. I said that wrong. Summer box unboxing. Anyways, let's get right into it. Let's take out what's in here. I'm so excited. I've been getting Fab Fit Fun boxes for probably, I don't know, almost a year now. If you're not familiar, they're like a seasonal subscription box. So they have them for like winter, spring, summer, fall, I'm assuming. I think there's 4 a year. Yeah, so yeah, let's open this summer box up. It always comes with like a magazine style, just like a little magazine style pamphlet thing, which gives a more detailed description of each product. Which I actually do read. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so first thing that caught my eye is this Kula Sport Sunscreen. I've heard nothing but good things about Kula. It's SPF 50. It's their classic sunscreen. Let's read it. Cruelty-free, farm-to-face, TSA approved, water-resistant, hydrofuge, lasts up to 80 minutes. Awesome. I'm so excited to try this. Kula's been on my list of things to try, so I'll definitely be doing a review on that product. Next is a Pier 1, I don't know, it just says Pier 1 Imports. Interesting. Oh. OMG. This is so cute. Like, I don't know what it's for. If you know, let me know in the comments down below. I feel like it's like a soap dish. Maybe put earrings in. Rings in. I don't really know, but it's really cute. It's plated with like a gold design and then the marble in the plate area. That is so adorable. Alright, next we have the Vascent Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. Exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. You know what I love about the Fab Fit Fun Box is everything is full-size products. They're not tester sizes, so I really love that. Dramatically improve your skin's texture to reveal softer, brighter, and younger-looking skin. This powerful exfoliator mimics professional microdermabrasion results using 99% natural ingredients. Wow, that's awesome. I need to try this. It's vegan-friendly, paraben-free, sulfate-free, 99% natural. Never tested on animals, and there's no plastic beads. I can't wait to try this product. I'm so excited. Okay, then next, I'm pulling out Foreo Facial Cleansing Brush. Get smart about your skin. Know it, perfect it, love it. Whoa, it plays music. That's awesome. Measures skin moisture, reveals skin age, customizes cleansing routine, app records progress. That is so cool. I can't wait to try that. I wonder how it reveals your skin age. My skin's going to be like the skin of an 80-year-old woman. Just kidding. Maybe not, actually. So next we have this Jaboneria Marinella Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with Charcoal. A+ on packaging. Super cute. Our new Body Caviar Premium Oil and Salt Body Scrub will truly revolutionize your skin. We welcome you to a new level of moisture and luxuriously pampered softness. Wow, awesome. I love body scrubs, so I'm excited to use this in the shower. It's a hydrating body scrub. I mean, look at this. This whole thing, I'm going to open it up. It's like, it's a full-size product. It's awesome. Oh, maybe I'm not. Ooh, strong smell. Okay, I can't show you because it's got like oil in it. Maybe you might be able to see. Just in case. But yeah, it's like a oily, charcoaly body scrub. I'm excited to use this. I think I've said that for every product that I'm excited to use it. Alright, next we're showing the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. Do these two go together? No, different brands. Enzymatic Cream Exfoliator, Advanced Skincare. Says defined by nature, led by science. Exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. Non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. Apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water. Dermatologically tested. I just sounded not smart. Ow. British brand. So it's a British brand. Interesting. Alright, well, we'll give it a go. Next, we got the Tarte Liquid Liner Sex Kitten. Interesting name choice. I don't use eyeliner, but liquid liner is what I would use if I did line. Wow, A++ on this presentation of this eyeliner. Whoa, I don't know what I just did. Ooh, look at that tip. Probably get a perfect winged liner with that. Maybe I'll start using eyeliner just because of the Tarte Sex Kitten. Alright, next we have, God, I'm obsessed with Tarte products. Tarteist Pro To Go. It's an eyeshadow palette. Says, I already know. Formulated without parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, don't know what anything else is pronounced, but if you can't pronounce it, it's probably bad. So it's a good thing that it's formulated without those things. Also, if you know, I love Tarte because they're cruelty-free and they do offer a lot of vegan products. So awesome. This palette looks great. I wonder what let's open it up. I wonder what the packaging side looks like. Tarte always has pretty sleek packaging. Yeah, look at that baby. Black and gold. Ooh, yes. That is pretty. That is so pretty. Amazonian clay palette. I can't wait to use this. Alright, and last but not least, oh, yeah, I needed a beach towel or a pool towel, whatever you want to call it. It's by Summer and Rose. Looks so cool. I want to open it. Ooh, it's super soft. I could use this as a blanket. So soft. Whoa, this is very interesting. 39-inch by 70-inch beach towel. Wow, it's so soft. Doesn't even feel like a towel. Oh my god, and it has pineapples on it. Can you see? Look at this pineapple. This is so cute. I will totally be using this by the pool. I cannot wait. Alright guys, that concludes our Fab Fit Fun summer unboxing. Still can't say that. But yeah, I'm super excited to try all these products. Honestly, the Fab Fit Fun Box is such a good buy. I think it's $50. It's $50 every season. And literally the amount of product you get adds up to like over $300 and stuff. Like I just can't get over it. Every time I receive things, every time I receive a box, I'm like, holy moly, all this stuff is in it. It's so awesome. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye!